Bisbee is downstairs.
I'm sorry.
Is Bisbee and Eastley downstairs? And Stuckey. The record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Aaron Arnold, 25-01099. Appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people. I do have to make a motion to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120. My supervisor is to the left of me, APA Joel Martinez.
Motion's carried.
Thank you.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Ms. Arnold. Here.
Today was the date scheduled for final pretrial for an assault and battery. Do you have the necessary witnesses here?
Your Honor, the people do not have the necessary witnesses here at this time. That being said, I did just notice there's a note in the file from our victim witness unit that the victim on this case did arrive to our office. It looks like it's timestamp 8:37 is when the note's in that she went to our office instead of here.
She was directed to come here, though?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So she's on her way?
I'm not sure. If you mean when she spoke with someone from the victim witness unit,
Correct.
The note just says that it gave her time, date, and location information for the jury trial. So it doesn't indicate that they directed her to come here, which is of course where she needs to be.
Was there an offer on this?
There was not an offer on this one, Your Honor.
Was it the intention to see if there would be an offer if the victim appeared?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
We would want to move forward with this charge.
No. Couple things. Victim failed to appear even to your office on time, it sounds like. So someone needs to get in contact with the victim. The victim can't show up at 8:30 on the trial date. Which is next week, pretty much, the 16th, well, in 2 weeks. June 16th at 8 a.m. is the date scheduled for jury trial. Due to the nature of the victim appearing, I don't know why the victim appeared at, the only thing I can assume is they went to the wrong courthouse and then was directed to the prosecutor's office versus appearing here as if subpoena would have instructed them to. So I wouldn't grant any motions to dismiss based on that. We'll continue to trial. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
No, Your Honor.
Get you a notice to appear, okay? Is he downstairs?
Yes, he is.
He can be brought up. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Danilo Holtz, 4-03401.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Hope.
Mr. Holtz is present in the courtroom.
Yes, sir.
It's a date scheduled for a pretrial or final pretrial. This is for domestic violence charge. Is the necessary witness present?
No, Your Honor.
Next motion would be to dismiss.
Motion to dismiss is granted without prejudice. The people do have the right to reissue this against you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
It appears that the witness did send a letter to the court. Did you get a copy of it?
Let me check, Your Honor. No, Your Honor, it does not appear that I have a copy of it.
I'll make sure my staff gets you a copy.
Thank you.
You're all set. We'll get you a copy of the dismissal before you leave, okay? You're welcome. This is the matter of the state of Michigan versus Richard Rowe, 24-03247. Yes, please.
Fortune Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Rowe on behalf of Richard Rowe, who's standing to my right.
Mr. Rowe was supposed to have a final pretrial today on domestic violence. We have necessary witnesses here.
The people do not, Your Honor. They're unable to proceed, or we are unable to proceed.
Make a motion to dismiss.
Motion to dismiss is granted without prejudice. The people do have the right to reissue this against you. You understand that, sir? Do
Yes.
you have any questions at this time? I will get you a dismissal in just a moment. Thank you. Who represents Mr. Van Meter?
That would be me, Your Honor.
We do have a note. Let's see, are we supposed to try to put him on?
This morning, Your Honor, I advised Ms. Collins Green that he was still in MDOC custody. She had
No,
run last.
I'm aware of that. I have a note that's saying that they spelled his name wrong, they were gonna put him on, but
That's correct. Yeah, she called them correctional. They're supposed to be trying. I did speak with Ms. Fortuna Gill earlier. I think we're ready to proceed whether or not they log him in, but my understanding is someone was supposed to be trying to log him in.
okay, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Joe Van Meter, 25-00619, appearance please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Van Meter, whose appearance I am waiving today.
Thank you. Today was a date scheduled for final pre-trial for Mr. Van Meter, who was supposed to be put on the Polycom from the Department of Corrections, but it looks like since the writ was confirmed, he has since transferred to the Thumb Correctional Facility. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, the people do not have the necessary witnesses to proceed at this time.
Given that, Your Honor, I would make a motion to dismiss.
Motion to dismiss is granted without prejudice. I'll get your dismissal in a moment.
Your Honor.
Okay, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Sheree Kittle, 25-00997 SM. Yes, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Rowley on behalf of Ms. Kittle.
Okay, Ms. Kittle was scheduled today for a pretrial for one count of assault and battery. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, we'd be asking that this matter be sent for final.
Was there an offer?
There is no offer, Your Honor.
June 30th at 8 a.m. June 30th, 8 a.m. for final pretrial in person at the court. The jury trial date,
August 11th at 8 a.m.
August 11th at 8 a.m. in person at the court. Do you have any questions at this time, ma'am?
No.
Okay, we'll get you a notice to appear. Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Bond will continue. You can have a seat until we get you your notice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Tiffany Tartamella, 25-01191, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Yang on behalf of Ms. Tartamella. I checked the hallway. I've not seen her yet. I'm not sure if she's on Zoom or not.
There's no one on Zoom by that name. Did you have contact with her?
I've not had any contact with her for a while now, Your Honor. I did try again this morning. Did not.
Oh, sure, bench warrant on forfeiture. She was told she needed to appear in person today. Thank you. That was a notice to appear that printed.
Yes.
Mr. Raleigh, you
Yes,
can get your client's notice to appear from the printer, please.
yes.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Isidore Wasenda, 24-03092, appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jeff Cordis on behalf of Mr. Uachenda.
Agenda is present in the courtroom. Client, the attorney is present via Zoom. Today was the date scheduled for a pretrial. We reset this because he was scheduled to have an assessment done May 1st. Is there a report generated?
There is a report, however, sobriety court did not feel there was the urgency to put him in the program. So we would like to have this matter set for a final pretrial conference so that I can have further discussions with the prosecutor.
I don't set OWIs for final pretrials, and this has been reset multiple times. Is there an offer on this?
There is no offer on this, Your Honor. Yeah, there's no offer on this.
Okay, then if we could just have a trial date, Your Honor.
Yes.
August 11th at 8 a.m.
Does August 11th work for you?
I believe so. Let me check my calendar real quick. Yes, that will work.
August 11th at 8 a.m. Do you have any questions for the court today, sir? Any additional matters for the record?
None, Your Honor.
No, thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you.
No problem. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Demond Bisbee, 25-01103, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Bisbee.
Mr. Bisbee was scheduled today for final pretrial on a larceny matter. We have the witness here.
Not, Your Honor. The people do not have the necessary witnesses required.
Defense motion to dismiss.
Motion to dismiss is granted without prejudice. The people do have the right to reissue this against you. You understand that? You have any questions? Okay, have a seat very quickly. Yolanda, I need you to take care of some things. I need some dismissals. And then I'm missing a file. If you can dismissal for Peron's client, please. Let's see. Who else was supposed to do dismissal?
Is that it?
Hope. Folks were supposed to get dismissal as well. I do not have a file for Row. But you can do the dismissal so they can be on their way.
Okay. We're on the same page then. See, that's when she says no. Yeah.
No in the votes. Correct.
Let me confirm. Just close it out. Right. Answer. We do have two on there. Yeah. Let's see.
Richard Rowe.
On the charging sheet, it's in the alternative. So the first one's in behind the AC, and the second one is just under WI. Yeah. And then it's just, it says on the charging sheet, an alternative account one. So,
Do we have our witnesses here on Eastley's
Yeah.
matter?
I'm sorry, you're
Our
on what
witnesses
matter?
here on Eastley.
No one checked in with me.
Nobody, I haven't checked in, nobody's checked in with me either, Your Honor.
What about Stephanie?
Same.
I don't have any witness check-ins.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Lewis Eastley 22-03541, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Ryan, on behalf of Mr. Eastley.
Are you going to waive his appearance for this purpose?
I will wait this.
Okay, today was the date scheduled for final pre-trial for Mr. AC. My understanding is the necessary witnesses failed to appear.
That is correct.
How are we proceeding?
Defense motion to dismiss.
This is granted without prejudice. Now, the record in the matter, or matters, I should say, of the state of Michigan versus Tyrant Stuckey, 25-00073. Appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Stuckey.
On this particular file, we set the final pretrial for assault and battery. And there's no witness on here today.
That is correct, Your Honor.
How do you want to proceed, counsel?
Defense motion to dismiss.
Motion to dismiss is granted without prejudice. I do need him to be brought up though, because there's 2 other files. For pretrial, I don't know what's going on with those 2, and then it looks like he has a show cause. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Jesse Miller, 20-02448. Appearance for the record.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Miller.
Miller was scheduled today for sentencing. And operating with a blood alcohol content. 0.17. I do have a sentence report says it was prepared on May 20th. Did you get a copy of that, counsel? Any need to make corrections, updates, or deletions?
Well, Your Honor, I believe it to be factually correct.
Make allocution.
I think my client really does not dispute the general findings of the pre-sentence report. That he acknowledges he producing help addressing substance issues, particularly alcohol. Then I would ask that the court adopt the recommendations of the pre-sentence report. Mr. Miller is committed to complying with all the court's requirements and completing any course of treatment that might be ordered going forward. Oh, that is all. Thank you.
Did your client want to make a statement?
Is there anything else?
No, ma'am. This report and the recommendations. I've also gone over your history and your record. And I think you're aware that the assessments that you underwent for substance abuse does report that you meet the criteria for a moderate alcohol use disorder. And high probability for substance use disorder, so some treatment would be warranted. The other concern that I have is in reviewing your prior criminal history. Although I don't see any other convictions for alcohol-related substances, I do see where you've had at least 2 other charges. operating while intoxicated. So this is something you're gonna want to get a grasp of. I don't know what happened in those other two matters, but I do know that this matter here is not just operating while intoxicated, but with a blood alcohol content that was more than double the legal limit. I am going to adopt the recommendation because I do think you need to do some, or undergo some treatment. It did report that you were doing a 12-step programming voluntarily. I think that's good. Or at least at some point, but you're gonna have to re-engage in doing that as well during this time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So the order of the court is 9 months probation. While on probation, you have the following conditions. You are going to be required to participate in outpatient treatment and attend a 12-step program as recommended by probation, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to be required to obtain employment and provide verification of that. You are required to submit to random preliminary breath testing and your analysis testing. You're responsible for the fee or the cost of that. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not to be at any bars or nightclubs while on probation. You're not to use or possess alcohol or drugs unless you have a valid prescription. You're not to purchase or possess firearms, ammunition, or weapons of any kind while on probation. And you're not to engage in any assaultive or threatening behavior. Do you have any questions about those conditions?
No, ma'am.
You're also going to be required to complete the victim impact panel within 90 days. And you'll provide verification of that to probation, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a $30 per month oversight fee for probation that you're responsible for. So at 9 months, that will amount to $270. There's a $75 crime victim right fee that must be assessed, plus a $50 state minimum cost. I'll waive discretionary fines and process this time. You do owe $694.49 to the police department for responding to this drunk driving incident. That will be assessed.
I do have some money I can put down today for that.
It looks like you owe $100 assessment.
Yes,
Okay, you were assessed by our probation department, is that why?
yes.
Okay,
As soon as I left my pre-trial, I went downstairs.
okay, sounds good. Okay, it looks like you owe $120 a statutory prosecutor recovery fee as well. The total fines and costs $1,309.94, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will have the opportunity to make payments on that monthly. Do you have any questions at this time?
No, ma'am.
Lastly, there's an advice of rights as to probation. You can place on a term of probation before the 54A district court. Your terms are individually tailored and specific to address your assessed risks and needs. You would have the right to request early discharge from probation once you've completed half the term that's ordered by the court. Long as you have not had any violation within the 90 days preceding your request, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to make a request, you can get the form from your probation officer, or you can use the court MC 512 form. That's on the court website. You would complete that form. You file a copy of it on the probation department, and a copy of it must be served also by you to the prosecutor's office. The prosecutor has 14 days to respond in writing with any objections to your request for early discharge. If you, or if I set it for a hearing, you have the right to have an attorney represent you, but you would have to hire that attorney. You would not have the right to court-appointed counsel for any hearing on the early discharge request, okay?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any questions about that?
No, ma'am.
You can initial there so that it lets me know that you. I really don't know why they want us to give that back. It's probably more beneficial for you to have that, so that you know you're right. I have no idea. I'm gonna let you keep it. I'm gonna start doing that because I don't know why we need it.
Their information.
Yeah, I know it by heart. You need to know it. And so putting it in the file is not beneficial. If anybody wants to know if I advised you of those rights, they can check the record. Okay? Yeah, yes.
I do need to know, because I live out, I'm gonna be living out in Charlotte.
You're gonna be reporting via Zoom for probation,
Right.
and they can find someone out, someplace out there for you to do your jobs.
Okay, that's all I was asking about
Yep,
that.
you won't have to come into Lindsay. When you leave here, you're gonna go downstairs and check in with our probation department. Is your address changing now, or?
Via Wednesday.
Do you have that address?
I do not at this moment. I can give it to the probation officer as soon as I know it. And then I can have him give it to you guys.
Okay, once you give it to the probation officer, he'll update the file.
Okay.
It looks like your number is gonna still be the same, no, 9988 is the last
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Get you downstairs to check in with probation. Any additional matters for the record?
And we have some people here.
I know you are.
Thank you, you're all set.
Thank you.
No problem.
You can just have a seat up there.
And when you take, after you take him down, you need to bring Stucky up.
Okay.
Alexi, Alana's in custody.
Yeah.
Alanis. Okay, they were supposed to maybe put her on for this, I guess.
Yes, ma'am, she was supposed to be on Polygon.
Is Royce Ali here?
We have Nicholas Lerma. That's here.
On the record, in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Nicholas Lerma, I have TU 21006965. Then I have 24L284553. You are Nicholas Lerma.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Lerman, these were show cause hearings scheduled because you owe $96 on an expired plate. I'm sorry, an expired meter, that is.
Oh,
And
really?
then there's a speeding 1 to 5 over that you owe $148 on. When are you paying that?
Is it possible I can set up a payment plan? I'm just in a big financial bind and I've been trying so long for the last month or so, trying to find a second job. Once I get a second job, that'll definitely help out things, but funds are just really limited right now.
How much are you able to pay within the next 30 days?
Am I able to do $50 payments?
You can do less than that if you can't afford it.
Yeah, $40 payments will be perfect. I can do 40 a month.
When are you gonna make the first payment?
I'll make it this month.
What day this month?
The end of the month is, what's the last day? Can I do it by the 30th?
30th is a Monday, so I'll note here that you'll pay $40. By 30th, and you'll make payments of $40 per month until both tickets are paid in full, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any questions about how to make payments?
No, you're
You're all set.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's see. Mr. Lerner was the only one that wanted to come from show products. Mr. Wolf didn't come, Matthew Wolf. Should benchmark for a minute. Okay, so we don't have anyone else here.
No.
And I don't know who's representing Wolf, but I did issue a benchmark. Or I'm going to issue.
Oh, what was that? Oh. Yeah, I mean, his dog. Is that because he's got cough right now?
That's a fair question.
Yeah, like who's got the dogs now? It's clearly not him, so. Just, you know, I don't know who you have to know. Okay.
Just one. It's-
This is the, you're talking about the Stucky's dog stuff, right? Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, you're fine. Yeah. Right. Got it. Got it. Is it that four count that was on? Yeah, it's like child abuse, aggravated stuff, right? Yeah.
Well, congratulations,
Thank
Tim.
you. I am very relieved.
I'm sure you are. I'm sure you are. Okay, let's see. This is Mr. Stuckey.
Yes, Your Honor.
On the record in the matters of the state of Michigan versus Tyrant Stuckey have file numbers 24-01126. I have 24-00880, and then I have TG 23006365. Appearance free.
Haley Fortuna Gill, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Stuckey.
Mr. Stuckey has an unlicensed dog and a dog at large. I think this has always been reset because he's in custody, and I'm not sure how long he's in custody for.
Well, he has been in custody for more than 2 months at this point, and he is being held on 2 felony cases, so I don't know.
Okay. What's the status of the felony cases?
They're still,
Yes, we just got done. I was just here in front of you on Friday in Circuit Court.
Okay. You waived your exam. What was the charge?
It's an assault with dangerous weapon.
Okay. So they were waived. The bind over date is gonna be the 13th of the 11th. Yeah. And is there gonna be an offer, or was the idea to get him an opportunity to try to cure at least one of these issues? I don't know.
Your Honor, I believe that there is going to be an offer in circuit court of some sort. The file.
I mean, on these.
Oh, on the dog. Oh, just to give him a opportunity to figure out.
Okay, I'm gonna reset these 60 days out.
August 4th at 8:30.
August 4th at, you said what time?
8:30.
8:30. Do you have any questions today on these?
any questions?
I wonder why my
Well, I don't think this is covered.
Can I get some type of, text?
You're not being held on deductions.
Oh, okay.
Some questions on.
Okay, lastly, Mr. Stuckey, it looks like you owe $126 on a fire lane ticket that was never paid. It was set for show cause today. I'm gonna reset this for August 4th as well, okay?
$40.
126.
I paid up the phone, all of but $40.
When did you pay over the phone?
It's just that I'm on a fixed income, that's why I didn't make the last $40 payment.
Okay, I have here, there was no payments ever received on this ticket.
What?
I don't know if you have
They
another
saying I
ticket.
didn't pay, I paid $126.
Okay,
I
I'm
apologize. but
I'm
you know
gonna
I paid
reset,
it.
I'm gonna reset the show cause until the August 4th date so that we can see where you are, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You're all set for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. They never put miscellaneous, Alan's. She's even being held on, actually.
I mean, it's possible, yeah, but.
Yana, are you out next
I know,
week?
I'm excited.
Sorry?
Are you out next week?
Who does today's date?
Uh,
I am out, actually.
That's what Mr. Raleigh and I thought, and then
She's
What's your name?
Matthew Wolf.
You supposed to be here at 8:30?
Yeah, I just woke up. Sorry,
Why did you just wake up when you're supposed to be here at 8:30?
just working a lot.
Representative Mr. Raleigh.
That is Mr. Raleigh, yes, but I think.
Oh. Oh. So do I have to come down and report?
We're getting your attorney.
I'm sorry.
John Randall.
Some specific paperwork with them, for OV and V funding, it's an expired date. I don't know if you're going to- Thank you.
Yeah, put the date on this.
Thank you. Just stop. Stay down. No. Down. Thank you. Hope just get it away.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Wolf, 23-03207, appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter standing in for Mr. Jacob Raleigh on behalf of Mr. Wolf, who joins us via Zoom.
Today was the date scheduled for a pretrial. This was a driving while license is suspended. And it was reset so he can make efforts toward getting his license. Was he able to do that?
It was, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, the people have seen the license, the valid license, and would move forward to dismiss for compliance.
No objection.
All right, you're all set. Congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You gotta take me out of her office or her courtroom.
Let's see. Who do we have here?
We have Ronnie Nesby.
Oh, Mr. Nesby does not have an attorney, correct?
I am his attorney.
Oh, okay. On the record, in the state of Michigan versus Ronnie Nesby, 25-01112, appearance.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Nesby.
We do not have an appearance from the public defender's office on this one. Let's see. This is the dog at large. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, the people have been made aware that there have been precautions put in place to make sure the dog doesn't get out anymore, and the people would like to dismiss this case at this time for compliance.
Motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set. Who's representing Tyrese Turner?
I haven't seen him this morning, Your Honor, but I did speak with him at length on Friday.
Just on Zoom.
He's ready to go.
On the record in the matters of the state of Michigan versus Tyrese Turner, 24-03 554 555 556 557 558 and 559. Council appearance.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Turner, who joins us via Zoom.
Mr. Turner, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, today was the date scheduled for dog license vaccination charges that he was working on getting licensed. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. We're going to be requesting an adjournment for a couple of reasons. We haven't yet fully received discovery in any of these files. Ms. Fortuna Gill advised me this morning that her office did send it over on Friday. I think I'm waiting for my office to process it into our system. So I need time to be able to see that. Additionally, Mr. Turner has vaccinated 2 of the animals. There is the animal control clinic happening in 2 days on June 4th, where they'll be doing free vaccinations and reduced licenses. He would like to be able to attend that, and so we'd be asking the court to give us 1 to 2 weeks to allow him to do that and for me to review the discovery.
How is it that we go 6 months before we find out that we need to spend it?
I didn't just find out, Your Honor. I've requested it several times. My office followed up the last time last week, and we finally, it looks like are getting it sent over as of Friday.
When was it requested?
I requested it in, I think, February and April. The report I just got from my paralegal a couple of minutes ago indicates their report was generated on March 13th, but we didn't receive it then. I'm sorry, March 31st, not March 13th.
Okay, but you said that this discovery has been turned over at this point?
Yes, Your Honor.
And my paralegal emailed me at 9:48 that it's been received with the name on it. It's got a few pages I need to go through.
Let's see, you said there's a dog license clinic, you said?
That's correct, Your Honor. The Ingham County Animal Control Office is putting on a clinic on June 4th.
Next available date. June 23rd at 10 a.m. June 23rd at 10 a.m. This is the last time I'm resetting this.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
You said 10 a.m.?
Correct. Do you have any questions today, Mr. Turner?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Nothing further.
You're all set.
You're free to log off, Mr. Turner.
Thank you.
Representing Mariana Aragwin. Who's representing Ariana Aragwin?
It should be Jamie White is my attorney. I'm sorry. I don't.
Like, it's.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready for some California. Something, yes, I could be. It's over here. Be very baggy. Yes.
stay on for you on the back.
Your Honor, no one from my offices.
Jacob Giroux or Jairus? How do you pronounce that?
Jarous, Jarous.
Okay, do you have attorney?
I do not.
Okay. Are you seeking to get an attorney or are you planning to represent yourself?
Yes, I'm working on acquiring one.
You're working on what you said?
I'm working on acquiring an attorney at the moment, Your Honor.
Okay, how much time do you need before you can hire an attorney?
I just need a couple more paychecks, so probably like another month or so before I have some money for a retainer fee.
Okay, I'll reset this.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Let me give you a date in just a moment.
July 14th.
Okay, thank you. July 14th at 8:30.
Very good to me. Yes, July 14th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Luke Mills, 21L2648-711. Are you Luke Mills?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have a speeding ticket that you owe $186 on. When are you gonna pay it?
I can pay it today, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll get you to the criminal traffic window so you can make payment and that'll close out this file.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Erickman, have you heard from your attorney at all?
I have not, but I'm just going to call his assistant if that's all right.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are we ready on Strickner? Or
Your
he
Honor,
doesn't have an attorney, does he?
He has me. I left him a voicemail last week. If I could briefly speak with him.
Yeah, we don't have that here.
I'll ask my paralegal to check into that.
Yeah, we're just saying with the one that the dog case that Raleigh was on.
Duffy.
No, I think it was another one. Nesby. Maybe. Yeah, it was dismissed. though.
Nesby was a dog at large, yeah.
Yeah, but we didn't have an appearance on that one either. I don't know why.
We do have a fair few number of new clerks, so I'll talk to Irene about that.
I called his assistant. She said she's making a couple phone calls and she called me right back. I'm not really sure.
Sounds- Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
What's your name, sir? You're muted.
Sorry, Dorian Price.
Give me your name again.
Dorian Price.
Oh, Dorian Price.
I don't.
Who you looking up?
I think he has a case with Judge Buchanan.
How is he supposed to be there?
You said I was supposed to be there?
Give me a moment, sir.
Okay.
It's set for 10:30 with Judge Buchanan.
You have a 10:30 with Judge Buchanan, so you logged into the wrong courtroom, sir.
This is a paper they gave me.
I recognize that you may have the wrong login information, but I can give you the correct login because you're in the wrong courtroom.
Okay, yeah. Do I need to write it down?
Well, you don't if you have a great memory. I can give it to you. That's up to you.
I don't. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna write it down, Your Honor.
It's 8. You ready?
Just give me 1 second. Let me grab
Oh.
this paper. Damn, that's crazy. All right.
Or if they give us IDs that were like 1 number off, that would have been helpful.
Okay, you said
Okay.
what is it, Your Honor?
Judge Buchanan's Zoom ID is 862 675 5554. Is he frozen? He looks frozen. Are you still there? It might be frozen.
There you go.
Did you get it?
No, I didn't get the last numbers. It cut out.
Okay, 862 675 5554.
The staff has been notified, her staff.
All right. Thank you.
You're all set. Thank you.
You have a good day.
Same to you. And who do we have in the back?
That is Mr. Jackson.
Oh, he's represented by counsel, though, correct?
That's my client.
You ready on his?
Yes, we're ready.
Yeah, I can just hide it. Yeah, I didn't, nothing like the reissue. I don't know if it's just mismatching what's happening.
So is there no offer on this one?
We'll be requesting final pretrial.
Thank you.
And you're like, I don't know.
No, not the dog license. We can bring that.
I'm just saying, yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, my office has sent an email.
June,
Yeah.
or June 30th.
Anything.
The final
I
pretrial.
want you to have to give me, like.
Okay, June 30th, 8 a.m. for final pretrial.
August 18th, 8 a.m.
August 18th, 8 a.m. for your jury trial, okay? Do you have any questions for the court? Okay, we'll get you your notice to appear. Did you hear anything back, ma'am?
Yes, so we actually have Kelly on representing me today, or Kelly Mesh.
Okay, very good.
Sorry about that. Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. On the record, in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Ariana Araguen, 25-00343, appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Kelly Massey on behalf of White Law for Ariana Arguin.
Okay, today was the date that was scheduled or rescheduled for a pre-trial. This matter was reset because there were negotiations for a sobriety court offer. Was there an offer for her to get into the 54B sobriety court?
There was an offer to begin the clinical eligibility process.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
The status?
Yeah.
Do you have a status for that, counsel?
Yes, so our client did complete that screening last week and we're just waiting on the results of that to see if she will be admitted. And so we would like to ask for just a couple week, move out of this pretrial in order for us to get those results.
Your Honor, I do have an email here that was sent to my office that indicates that Mrs. Araguen is clinically eligible to participate in the program.
Okay, so we'll reset this to see if the paperwork can be provided to have this case transferred.
Thank you, Your Honor.
30,
June 20,
June 23rd at 10:30.
June 23rd at 10:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Any additional matters for today's record?
No, I'm happy to.
Thank you. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, let's see. We're ready on Mr. Strickner.
Yes,
The matter of the state of Michigan versus Darren James Strickner, 25-007, 274, appearance, please.
Caitlin Fortuna-Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Strickner, who is standing to my right.
Mr. Strickner has 2 counts of a dog shy or dog at large. How are we proceeding on these?
Your Honor, at this time, the people would move to dismiss. It's our understanding that one of the dogs is no longer with Mr. Strickner, and Mr. Strickner has since moved to an apartment location where the dog would have to be on a leash when they exit the apartment, so we would dismiss for compliance.
No objection.
This is not in a citation, so I actually need a dismissal. Do you hear me?
I'm sorry.
I need a dismissal.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you.